Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing a MagSafe dual charger from Apple. So this charges both your phone and your watch and your AirPods at the same time. So cool product. Been eyeing this one for a while and finally decided to do it. So what the packaging looks like. So you see you can have your phone here and your watch here, and I think your AirPods on here too, and it folds up. So let's get it. All right. Wow. Super premium looking as usual with products from Apple. Oh, wow, that's nice. So it folds up, has a little Apple logo here, and it magnetically folds and clicks together. So ultra portable. Oh, then that's where you plug in the cable. Ooh, okay. Wow. Therapeutic. Let's see. Ooh, also a little. Wow. Oh, okay. So this can stand up too, so you can charge your watch around this way instead of flat. So you can charge your watch flat like this, or you can raise this up and have your watch laying down sideways. Cool. Oh, it's really sturdy feeling. So liking it so far. Let's see. All right, cool. They include a cable in here as well. What is this? Lightning to USB-C. All right, that's cool. And in here it is USB-C, it looks like. Where's that lightning? Yeah, cool. No stickers? Any stickers? Ah, no stickers. All right, that's it. If you guys are interested, I will drop a link to where I bought this from in the description below the video. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think about this MagSafe dual charger. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot because one charger magnetically for all my Apple devices. That's cool. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.